Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip. And this one is for using our clear tiny treat boxes. And there's a few tips actually on this one. The first one is just to make sure that you know that there's a plastic film protecting these boxes, and you need to peel that off before you get started. So I've got one that I've already peeled off. So here we go. And to actually assemble this, the best thing to do is to just move it about and fold along all of the score lines, all of the fold lines, first of all, so that you know that they're going to fold together properly. So we get those all folded in and back out again. And then the base, there's a few different ways of doing this. I prefer to start with this open piece here, then just tuck under what I think are the side pieces, and then you pop that through the whole lot and it seals the whole lot together. Now, to decorate this, you can do this very simply with just 2 strips of 6x60 SP. So this was from the piece I had, and this is cut just slightly smaller than 2 inches, and I'm now just going to score it at, make sure that the cutting blade's out of the way, don't want that. So I'm going to score it at 2 inches and 4 inches on both pieces. Now this is actually going to leave you an open top to the box in terms of decoration, and I've done that because I'm going to pop the bow on top. So we're going to pop that to one side, and we're just going to fold these now, and you can use a bone folder to pop them in place. Now there is a bit of a direction to this, so some of my pansies are going to be upside down, but I'm not too worried about that. And you just slide that into the box. And the same thing then with this piece. And we're going to pop that one across that way around. And there we have our box. I'm just going to put a few chocolates in this one. And I can't get too many in of these big Raffaellos. It should be a squish with 3. But you could go for a smaller chocolate. This is just to illustrate. And that then goes together like that. Then I'm going to take some of this lovely Blackberry Bliss ribbon, and what I've done is just go for where the midpoint is on this. I'll put the length of the ribbon in the description below. So I'm going underneath the box, just crossing those over and bringing them back up to the top, and then I'm just going to tie that in a simple knot like that. You can, if you like, tie through the ribbon underneath for a more secure knot to the top of the box. And I've already prepared a little tag that I'm going to pass through this, so that's going to be on there, and then just tie that into a little bow. And that basically is how quick you can pop a little gift box together, a little treat box. If you wanted to, you could put an extra square, but I was trying to show how you can use the 6x6 paper. So I hope you like that little tip. And hope you make use of these little acetate treat boxes. They're great for little gifts. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again next week.